Eliza had her babies yesterday and surprised me. She only had 4 this time. She usually has 6, so that was a little disappointing. And they're all boys, no girls. So for those of you who want boys, woohoo! For those who want girls, oh no. So it is what it is, you know. So, but they're beautiful. Oh my goodness, lots of color in this group. And absolutely gorgeous tones. So I'll show you who we've got. Oh my goodness, this is so confusing. So this right here is the firstborn, Lakota. And you can see he's got lots of color on his head. He's got the 2 little spots and the 3rd one here and color, streak of color all across his back. That's Lakota. And then Landon has, I remember because his blaze kind of almost comes together at the bridge of his nose. And then he's got the 2 little spots on his back. Yes. And so that's Landon. This is Laver. Laver again has a little white blaze down him and color just kind of all over his body. And Liam. Little Liam. Right here. Like got almost black, I think. More dark than the others. And has a little spot here. Spots back here. So see, lots of color on these babies. So, yes. Yes. We'll put them in order again. So Lakota, Landon, Laver, and Liam. 4 beautiful little babies from Eliza. I'm trying to get a group picture of them, but they're being all squirmy. Yeah, they're being all squirmy. Yes, you are. Being all squirmy. All right, so there you have Eliza's puppies, just 1 day old.